Welcome back, everyone. Look who's here. We got a special guest today.
Hello, folks. Yeah, so I'm back. We're back. Despite this whole pandemic thing, we took a little break, a little hiatus from YouTube because of, well, I wasn't even allowed to really come here. And we're, doing the 6 foot social distancing thing. So now that I'm back, we're back.
Time to get working on this truck.
Yeah.
A lot has changed, as everyone knows. Quick update, but the race schedule, we were supposed to race last weekend. That got canceled, Calabogie, super bummed. Obviously we're not ready to race. Motivation got slowed a little there, but we do have some good news, is that the rest of our races for the year are not canceled yet. So potentially still 4 races running, Most Sport, Shannonville twice, and Calabogie in the fall. So cross your fingers and hope that runs. We're gonna take you along for all of them. We're assuming they're all on, and if they get canceled, then we'll just be ready early. So, yeah, that's that. I don't know, what's the game plan for today?
Okay, today's game plan, we'll put this new junkyard engine in. New junkyard. So we'll put the new engine in. That's it. Hopefully we can fire it up today. That's the plan. That would be awesome if we could do that.
Yeah, and on that note, we got some really good news with our plan of firing it up. We're actually got a little sponsorship from ProLab Technologies. They're a fluids and synthetic oils company out of Quebec. Canadian company, so support those guys. They're helping us out. They're supplying us a season worth of fluids, which is phenomenal. It's good stuff. We've been messing around with some of it for the last few weeks in the shop, and the PL100 penetrating oils, phenomenal. So we appreciate those guys coming on board. We'll show you a little bit more about that in a bit. Stay tuned for more videos. We think it's race season, so yeah. We're hoping to bring you more live from the shop. So
yeah, let's get started on this then.
Rock and roll.
All right.
I'm sure you guys have had enough time lapse by now, but engine's back in. We're doing the boring stuff, putting all the wires, connecting all the wires, plumbing all the hoses. Already found a couple little difficulties with our new intake and the heater hose for the defrost, but yeah, we'll update you as we go. So how's this going today?
Good. So far so good. No major snags.
It's almost like we know what we're doing. We got the engine back in and everything's kind of falling into place. A couple of little struggles with that new intake, but and throttle body. We got a nice adapter plate and we had to redo some stuff inside, but yeah, we're almost there. I'm scraping gaskets over here, get the shifter in, and we're relatively, dare I say, if anyone remembers last year, but close to firing this thing up. We don't think we'll have any fuel starvation issues, but
Who knows?
time will tell. All right, we're back. We're almost ready to fire this thing up. But before we do that, we got to get some fluids in this thing. We don't want to throw our good ProLab oil in it just yet, because we've got some tricks up our sleeve thanks to those guys.
Yeah, this is ProLab DM30. Supposed to clean the sludge out of the inside of your engine, so clean the lifters, rings, wherever carbon or sludge would build up. This is supposed to get rid of it.
As you might remember, this was a pretty clean engine when you took it apart, but it's still a junkyard engine, so it would never hurt to run. You don't have to do this in a race motor. This is for your street car. This is for anything. So we're gonna give it a shot, clean it out, and mix that in with some brand new cheap oil, and then do a oil change after about 10 minutes of runtime. Then we'll put in our ProLab oil and we'll send it to the racetrack.
And that's a full bottle in here.
Okay, we'll top her up. See if we can do the high pour after we clean the whole motor. How much do you think this is going to take?
Take more than one of those, I think.
All right, this is 100% legit. This is not staged. This is the first turn of the key with the new motor.
Let's see what happens.
See what happens. Okay.
It's buttered.
Battery is dead, clearly. Let's put the jump box on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the jump box on. Let's try it again. Strange.
It's like it's a starter shim or something, eh?
Seems like it.
Oh, I think I know what the issue is.
What's that? Timing?
Yeah. I think that we changed some of these coils and the coil pack numbers are wrong.
Okay, so switch them all back. I think it's got fuel and everything. It was kind of fire, like it's obviously getting.
It's backfiring. It's going the wrong way. It's running backwards.
So I mean, it's gonna go. Okay, you gonna go again?
Yeah, let's do it. Just top it up. Find a little top up.
All right, let's try this again. Did a little timing change.
It's just like a
Major vacuum leak.
Yeah.
Where from?
Try a bit of gas.
Throttle? Yeah. The starter is fucking bad. I didn't touch it. I got it wide open.
Good oil pressure and shit though, eh?
It was the first time I wasn't looking that time.
I'll take that thing out and just look at it.
I think so.
I think it's fucked.
I think so.
Fucking AC ones, eh? Why are they giving us such a bitch of a time?
I always wonder, eh, because these things are in the junkyard for a reason.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck. Well, we got it running now. A little bit of a idle air control issue, but it's This little sucker right here. Gotta set that manually. But listen to her sing.
Yeah, sounds great.
Song of the people. We're letting her get up to temp. Running our conditioner. We'll do an oil change tomorrow. Maybe later today. Running pretty good, I must say.
Yeah, no major leaks or anything?
Yeah, it looks good. I think that's gonna do it for today. Stay tuned, come back next time.
Hopefully the next video's on the racetrack.